So as you can see, Contour 3D concluded the 3D printing last Friday. From here we're just giving it 7 days of curing time before we start to load up the structure with load-bearing items. So the next part of the project is to complete the roofing system and install all the plumbing and electrical. So we're anticipating the amenities block to be open in early August, after all the landscaping and all the fit-off items are completed. As this was a trial, it's been successful so far. We would look to use this technology in the future.